under their cares. All right, the BLUEAIR, brand new BLUEAIR startup. Let's come under the hood. Got a float switch I need to get strapped up a little better. It had a little drip. Very Hoshizaki-esque water pump, float switch. It's like a Hoshizaki and a koolair. It's got the little koolair style compressor. We got all this. Let's see. No, I'm not digging it on a GFI, but what can you do? Yeah, we got power. All right, let's turn this dude on and see if we can make some ice. Insulation coming off. All right, evaporator section. Looks like Hoshizaki. Water inlet solenoid. Hot gas valve. Actually got some ports back there. Let's see what refrigerant we're running. 410A. It's like the koolair. Comes with a cleaning brush. That's a nice touch. Right, you're not going to want to put these outside. The lowest ambient temperature is 45 degrees, so it's probably not going to work outdoors. Here's some other stats. Water pressure, 100 psi max. You can go down to 100 volts. Pretty basic stuff in here, but we'll give it a look over. So we're in the freeze cycle. Number 3. This is a timer in minutes. So we've been making ice for 16 minutes. And that's our timer. That's a nice little feature. flows the same way. Has an air intake on the side and in the front. It's a side and front. Discharge out the back. Not too bad. Similar bin switch. It does have a little water curtain guide. On the ice guide is a little water curtain. Ice guide looks the same. These little BLUEAIRs might be all right. It's like a koolair version of the Hoshizaki. "20 minutes in the free cycle." Hey man, that's not a Hoshizaki. Not bad. Just like Hoshizaki. Bin switch. Bad. Brand new. Dude, they copied Hoshizaki so good, even the bin switch is bad. Maiden voyage. Okay, I found this plug like this. It looks like someone had taken some channel locks and twisted that right on the plug there for the freezer.